Everything we do is volunteer. We usually have a cake auction, and the proceeds go 100% to the Heart and Stroke Fund. And we have a banquet and dance that goes along with it. That's what we do every February. Pork loin, roast potatoes with seasoning, peas and carrots, coleslaw, and we'll have buns and strawberry shortcake. I'm going to make the dip next.
I am going to peel the carrots. I am peeling nice fresh carrots, which will be served with sweet green peas. We boil the carrots and then add the peas. It won't take very long to cook, and that's part of our beautiful dinner.
Finished peeling the potatoes. We only peeled 20 pounds. We have another 20 pounds to peel. I'm going to take the meat that I've got in the oven and put it in this electric roaster.
The Eagles? Well, number one, we are over 100 years old. I don't know exactly how many years. Probably 103 or 4 now. They started in the States in a very small way and then grew, and of course now they're major all across the United States and Canada. And if a person could afford it, we could be at a convention practically every month, right, Connie? Or going on a golf tournament.
Okay, you got that?
I will let you know that.
What I'm going is, I'm going to find a container so I can mix up coleslaw salad. We make our coleslaw with apples, green onions, and raisins. I am cleaning the strawberries, and they're in preparation for our dessert, which is going to be angel food cake, sliced strawberries with dream whip.
I'm going to take the applesauce, and if it's not thawed out, I'm going to put it in here and put it in the microwave. I'm thawing it out because we're going to put let people put applesauce on their roast pork. The crackers are put beside the coffee, and the crackers and dip and chips are for snacks before dinner, and the pickles are just put on the table along with everything else to be eaten with dinner. So we cut them and slice them, not completely through, but just partially, so that if anybody wants half a bun, they can just tear it apart. It cuts out a lot of waste. I took the meat out so that it can cool for about an hour. That makes it easier to slice. I'm going to slice it all up, layer it in the pan. I'll put a little bit of the juice out of the roaster on that, and then some salt and pepper and a little bit of granulated garlic. And then I'll set it on the top of the stove, turn the burner on really low, just enough to keep it warm. And then put another pan of meat in the oven to get it brown a little bit on the outside. Say that we need 50 pieces. So we've got 4 cakes, so each cake has to be cut into what? 16 pieces, 16, 17 pieces. If we cut it into 8 slices, cut each slice into 2, that's 16 slices per cake. That's 54 pieces. That should do it.
What I'm doing, the potatoes dipped in seasoning, garlic and onion and various spices, all the good stuff.
It's going to take too long to do them in the oven, so we're doing them in the electric roaster. So I'm filling up the electric roaster, turn it up on high, and cook it away. Mixing the peas and the carrots, we partially cook the carrots, and then add the frozen peas, and then by the time the peas are ready, so are the carrots. Supper time! Thank you everyone for coming, and have a good time. Enjoy your meal, and have a safe trip home.
But they're a wonderful organization. We're people helping people.